I can think of, you don't want to turn it down, but yeah, that's the torque for you, and it's just purely the pushing power that it has and not the speed. So don't mix it up with speed. It's not going to speed up your focus when you do this. It's just going to give you more pushing power towards the lens. Cool. If we go back to zoom, so here, if I did have another focus motor, let's say I have iris, I can go okay. Obviously I can change the torque, same things, but then I can specify which motor I've set it to be iris. And this is the part where you can also change which dial you want it to be. So let's say I do want to use this dial for my zoom. I can come out of here, so I'm going to go to zoom, and then I'm basically just going to say that, you know, I'm going to go to iris, and then I'm just going to say sync. I'm going to say motor 2, even though it's zoom. I'm going to put it on my iris dial here. I can put it on this dial instead, which I prefer for zoom. It's up to you what you want to do. But yeah, that's where you can do that. Function. So this is about, you can do manual calibration. So as I said before, if you've got one of those lenses that don't have these gears, you will need to manually calibrate it, because what happens is that those lenses, they don't have a hard stop at the end of the lens range. It just continues spinning, and you can manually calibrate where infinity is and where close focus is. It's really fiddly. I wouldn't recommend doing that unless there is really a specific lens that is you desperately need for your shoot. Maybe a Helios 44 or something like that. But other than that, it's very fiddly to do, and it always loses where it is, and you need to manually recalibrate every time you turn it on and off. It's a big effort, so I wouldn't recommend doing that. You've also got a couple of things such as calibrate knob, which is just this. Sometimes it might go whack, but most of the time it's fine. I'm going to say most of the time you won't need to go in the setting other than changing whether you want it to light up or not in the dark. You've got a vibration motor, all this sort of stuff. You can do some other crazy stuff like time-lapse focusing, but it's not really used for that. Nothing in there. You can, if you really want to, change the language, but again, please make sure you put it back to the language, to English, so EHD can actually use it. But other than that, I don't think there's anything else to go into on this thing. That's as simple as it is, really. You can do stuff like you can do, so instead of using a pen to mark your focus points, you can use actually a digital marks on here. Again, it's more effort than it's worth, I'd say, but again, you can do it if you want to.
Do we have to get the pen separately, or it comes with that?
You have to get a pen separately, unfortunately, because we did try and give pens to people, but they kept being lost. So
and it's easy to wipe off, yeah?
Yeah, exactly.
Normal pen?
Yeah, a whiteboard marker.
Okay.
You can't use a Sharpie.
Okay,
yeah.
Just wanted to be sure. Right.
And yeah, that's it, really. That's as simple as that.
Where is the target?
I need more.
Alright, I've helped your life. Enjoy this video. Welcome to my YouTube channel.